Hello students, in this video I will show you how to create HTML list. As I have discussed in a previous class that there are three types of list: unordered list, ordered list and description list. So an unordered list is always denoted by bullet points. You can see the bullet points out here, and ordered lists are always denoted by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, like this way. And in description list, every item will have its own description below it. Okay, so let me first start with unordered list. So inside the HTML structure we have this unordered list. So an ul and slash ul tag is used to define an unordered list, and inside ul and slash ul tag will define the name of the items using li and slash li tag. So ul and slash ul stands for unordered list. So simple ul is a starting tag and slash ul is a ending tag. Okay, and under ul and slash ul we will have li and slash li tag to add names of the items. So here you can see inside ul we have this li tag which is used to assign different item names: coffee, tea, milk, and then at the end we are closing this ul tag. This entire list tags are inside HTML structure. Fine. The li and slash li tag is always used inside uln slash ul tag while creating ordered list. So you can see the output here. So the menu is displayed using bullet points. This is unordered list. If you go to ordered list, the same thing will be displayed using numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is as they are displayed using number, that is why they are referred as ordered list, and these are displayed using bullet points, so that's why they are referred as unordered list. So let me jump to the practical part and show you so that it becomes more clear to you. Here I have already defined the structure of HTML. So HTML head, title, slash head, body, and slash body slash HTML. This is the basic structure of HTML. I think by now you all have got an idea how the structure of HTML looks like, and you have got an idea that without writing the structure of HTML we cannot create an HTML web page. Okay, so inside title we can give name of the web page. So let me give a name to the web page: food items. Fine, this is the name of the web page. Now next we'll jump inside the body where we'll write the main contents for our web page. So let me give a heading under using any header tag h2 or h1. So what are the different header tags? h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. So from h1 to h6 you can use any one header tag to give a heading to your web page. The only difference will be that the font size of your heading will be different. H1 will have a large font size, and H6 will have very small font size, and H2, H3, H4, H5 will have are assigned different numbers of font size, so the size of the font will be different. Okay, so H1 is let me give a name to your menu 2020 H1. I'll close it. Next, as this is an unordered list, so I will use UL. UL stands for unordered list. Inside unordered list, I have got names of few items which I will use to represent using li. So dosa slash li, One more item I can give here, Italy slash ally. Can give here coffee slash ally. And one more item, let me give cook slash ally. Now I want to end my list. So I'll close it using slash ul tag. Rest of things will be same. So now I'll save this code by going to files, click on save as, and I'll from this a window will open over here. So from here I'll navigate inside my computer directories, and I'll select desktop, or if you want to select, if you want to save the files or files in some other drive, F drive, E drive, okay, G drive, so you can save it. No need to save it in C drive. C drive is always having the default Windows files, so better to skip C drive. It's better you save it in desktop. Okay, in desktop you give it a name. It is an unordered list, so unordered list. Okay, dot, what is the extension to save an HTML file? That is dot html or dot htm. Either you can give dot html or dot html, dot html or dot htm. Okay, fine. I'll go with dot html. Click on save. I'm saving it in my desktop. Okay, click on save button. Now my HTML file is saved. Now I'll go to my desktop. Here I can see unordered list. Okay, click on it, then open with Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and I've got Opera. Okay, so you can select any one browser as per your wish. I'll go with Chrome. Okay. And here you can see this is how my unordered list web page looks like. So in title I gave, you can see in title I gave food items. What name I gave? Food items. So you can see the title is displayed here in my tab, in my web page tab. So this is the name of the web page, food items. Okay, and header I gave menu with h1 under h1 tag. So you can see the menu is displayed here. Then what are the different items I have included using ul and li tag? That is dosa, idli, coffee, and coke, and all these items are represented using bullet points. So this is an unordered list. Okay. Next, if I want to add more unordered list with in a different format, like I will add an horizontal line over here. Okay, then a small font size heading, South Indian, South Indian, mm, South Indian food. Okay, and I'll close it H3. Or let me change the this name. Let me give some other name. Let me make a menu. Fried rice. This will be the heading. Okay. Now I'll give you L, close it. Then li, close it here. Page fried rice, rupees 45. Okay. Next I'll close it. Slash li. Then I have got li veg chicken fried rice. Okay. Rupees 70. Close it. Slash li. Next I can give egg fried rice, rupees 60. Close it. And what else we can give under fried rice? Let me give fried rice and noodles as heading. Okay, so like veg noodles, rupees 50 per plate. I will close it. Okay. Next I can give veg hakka noodles. Okay, rupees 60 per plate. Like. Then I can give one more menu, chicken noodles. Okay, rupees 75. Okay, and now I'll end the fried rice section. Section fried rice. I'll end it. Okay. Next, I'll create one more section. So let me save it and see how it looks like first. Save it. I'll reload it. So you can see this is how the menu looks like. Under menu 2020, I have got fried rice and noodles, and under fried rice noodles, I have got different uh, dishes out here, different foods out here with their rates, with their price tag. Okay. Next, I'll add some more menus over here, like so. Again, I'll give a heading h3. Under h3 we can give what else we can have, like some like rotis and parathas. Okay, plus h3. Now again I will use UL tag to create an unordered list under this, and li tag to add food names. So plain roti of rupees 5 each slash li. Next I can add aloo paratha, rupees 25 each slash li. Next I have got gobi paratha, I am feeling hungry by typing while typing these names. Aloo paratha, gobi paratha. Next you can have it as rupees plus li. Okay, and a few more items we can add, like paneer paratha rupees 40 each. Close it. Okay. And I'll close this section over here using /ul UL tag. Okay. Now let me save it again. If you have already saved it using save as in the very initial stage of your code, then after that whatever edit whatever things you change in your file, whatever edit you do in your file, you don't have to click on save as. You can simply click on save and it will be overwritten in this file itself. Now I will reload it. You can see the next section of the menu, rotis and parathas, is displayed here. So let me add one more menu over here and we'll conclude this unordered list topic. H3, and here we can have what else menu we can have. Chinese, Chinese, okay, slash H3. Now I'll again use UL tag to create an unordered list. Heading I have given Chinese, okay, li. At this you can give page momos slash li. Okay, momos slash li. Lollipop. Okay, chicken lollipop. Then what else you can? What are the other Chinese items you can include over here? Oh, let me add the rates. Rupees 35 per plate. How many pieces it will have? 6 pieces. Okay. Chicken nose, 6 pieces. Okay. It will be cost you is 60 per plate. Chicken lollipop have around 8 pieces and it will cost you rupees 100 per plate. Then we have chicken burger. Okay, is 100 per plate plus li. Okay, next we have veg burger is 65 per plate. So 65 each burger. Close it slash li. Okay, this is enough. Next I'll close the unordered list section. using /ul. Then I will go to files, click on save. That's all. Then I will go to my browser, reload it, and you can see the menu 2020 is having three sections of menu: fried rice and noodles. Under fried rice and noodles, I have got different fried rice and noodles with their rates. Under rotis and parathas, I've got different rotis and parathas with their rates. And under Chinese, I've got different food names with their rates. And like that, you can add more food items with the different headings. Okay, and you can create a menu for your restaurant. So this entire menu is represented using a bullet points, that is unordered list. So all I have to do now is create the same menu using ordered list. So all I have to do now is, instead of ul, I have to write ol. Ol means ordered list, and rest of the things will be same. So li won't change. Using li, you have to add the item names. Okay, only thing you have to change is, instead of ul, you have to write ol, so that the entire list is, or list entire menu is displayed using numbers, that is ordered list. So now this is the entire code. One second. This is the entire code. So I would like to copy this code and make few changes. So I'll select this entire code using mouse or control plus a, copy it, and I will open a new file over here. Okay, and paste it. So this is a new file. How you will know this is a new file? You can see this no name has been given to it. This is untitled. Okay, in the previous one we have saved it, so a name was given to it, that was unordered list. So I'll make few changes in this one. Like it will be same as menu 2020. Instead of menu 2020, I can give menu 2020 slash 21. Okay, and let the name of the web page be food items. Okay, next all I have to do is I have to write here ol. ol, that's all. Rest of the things let it be same. Here I'll write /ol. Okay, then move scroll down. Here you have to write ol. Then here you have to remove this /ol to write. Then scroll down. Then here the places where you have got ul written, you have to just replace it using you have to just replace it to ol, so that a ordered list is displayed in your web page. O ol. Okay, so let me save it. I'll save it using some other name, so I'll click save as. Okay, inside desktop I'll give a name to it. So this is the ordered list. .html. Ordered list.html. I'm saving it in my desktop. Click on save. Okay, now I'll minimize it. So this is the file ordered list. Before that we have created unordered list. Guys, never give same name to your code. If you have created code for unordered list, then the code for ordered list will have different name. You can't assign same name to both, otherwise you won't get your result in a proper way. Okay, now I'll right click on it and open it using any one of the browser which you have got. I'll open it using Chrome. So here you can see menu 2020 is been displayed in an ordered format, that is using numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then here we have 1 2 3 4. Then here we under Chinese we have five menus, five food items, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the difference, and this is how you will create an ordered and unordered list. In unordered list you have to use UL tag and ally tag, and in ordered list you have to use OL tag and ally tag. So ally tag is common in both the list, only the difference between both the tag is UL and OL. UL is for unordered list and OL is for ordered list. So I hope this is clear. Now I'll move to next list, that is description list. So a description list is represented using DL tag. You can see DL tag here. Okay, and the menu inside description list is added using DT tag. Okay, and to define a description for an item we are using DD tag. Okay, so here you can see I've given an explanation over here. A description list is a list with description of each items. The DL tag defines the description list. Okay, this is the DL tag. The DT tag defines the item names. So the DT tag is defining the item name, and the DD tag describes each item. So it is describing each item. So here first item is bread. Okay, and so I am adding bread using DT tag, and using DD tag over here I am giving a description to the food item. So bread is a baked food made of flour. Same, we have got coffee out here. I'm adding coffee to the list using DT tag, and using DD tag here I'm giving a description for the coffee. Giving a description for the coffee. So coffee is a drink made from roasted coffee beans, and then at the end I'm closing the entire list using DL tag. So here we don't have any UL or OL tag. Here we have got DL tag. DL stands for description list. In the name itself we are getting the uh, tag short form. Okay, description list. So D first, you have to take the D and list. L for list and D for description. So DL tag. Okay, so this is DL tag, and using DT tag we will add the item name, and using DD tag we will give a description to the item. So let me give an example. Okay, and this is the HTML structure. Just give me a name. Let me give a name to the web page, description list. Okay, good, description list, and here I'll give a heading h1. Okay, and if you wish you can draw a horizontal line to decorate it more. Next, I like to give I would like to create a description list DL using DL. Then under description list, I'll add the name of the food or item or anything. Hmm, let me take bread. Okay. Slash dd. Okay, not dd. Sorry, dd is for description. Use dt tag. Bread slash dt. Okay, for bread I'll give a description dd. Is made of flour. Okay, slash dd. Next dt. One more item I'll give, coffee slash dt. So for coffee we can give a small description. Coffee is made of coffee beans. Anything that describes the that is any, you can give any description that describes your item. So slash dd, close it, and then we can add one more item over here. What else we can add? mm, Fried rice. Okay, or we can give burger slash dd, and the dd you can give any description. Burger is something I like a lot. Means any description or anything if you'd like to make under your description list. Okay. Next, I'll close the DL tag. Okay. Now I'll save it. So to save, I'll go to the files tab. Click on save as initially this is the first time I'm going to save this description list. So I'll select the location as desktop, and I'll give the name as description list, no space. Okay, space dot html, and click on save. Now I'll go to my desktop, and here you can see I have got description list out here. Click on it, then I'll go to open with and click on Google Chrome, and here you can see this is my description list, guys. So you can see the format how the description list is displayed. So here I've given, close it. Under title I've given food description list. Okay, and under heading tag I've given food menu. Then I have drawn a horizontal line over here, you can see. Then under description I have created a description list with different menus, that is bread, coffee, burger, sorry for the spelling mistake. Okay, then under bread I've given a description, bread is made of flour. Under coffee I've given a different description, coffee is made of coffee beans. And under burger I've given a random description, burger is something I like a lot. Means as per your requirement and how you want to design your web page and how your web page should be displayed, according to that you can give description and add food items or sport items or any kind of items. Okay, so I hope you got an idea. So if you want to add more descriptions to your list, so you can do it. You just have to go ahead here and make some edits. Okay, you again can create another list TL, and then under this you can add your data PT, and in this you can give some sports name, cricket, slash pt. Then you can give a description to it: bat, ball, wicket. Okay, slash dt. Then one more sports item you can give here. What else you can give apart from okay, you can give tennis slash dt. Okay, dt bracket. So as per your requirement, you can give the names out here. And then if I like to keep myself limited to that much, only two items, I'll close the list. I'll go to files again and save it. I will go to the browser. I'll reload it. You can see few more items are being added out here. Okay, so like this way you can create a description list. I hope the HTML list is clear. There are three types of HTML list: unordered list, represented using UL and allied tag, and bullet points are the symbol which represents unordered list. And then we have ordered list, which is represented using OL and allied tag, and then numbers like 1 2 3 4 are the are used to represent ordered list. Then we have description list. As you can see in the screen, this is how a description list will look like. The name of the item will be displayed at the top, and below that we have this description of that item. So these are the three important lists of HTML. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. Thank you. Next, I will start with the HTML table in a separate video. Okay, thank you.